Cyclone Nisarga has made landfall around 100 kilometres south of Mumbai, bringing powerful winds and intense rainfall. This is the biggest storm to hit India's commercial capital since 1891. Tens of thousands of people have been evacuated from western coastal areas. The emergency services in Mumbai are already grappling with the country's worst coronavirus outbreak. Let's bring you the latest from Mumbai. Gigita Lamai is there for us.
India's weather department has said that the cyclone has made landfall in the district of Raigad, which is south of Mumbai. The exact location anticipated to be about 100 kilometers south of the city. I've seen videos that people have filmed from there where you can see really heavy rain lashing the shore, big waves coming to the coast as well, and these tall coconut trees swaying wildly. Over the last 24 hours, tens of thousands of people all along the coast of the Maharashtra state, of which Mumbai is the capital, have been evacuated. In this city, police have been trying to move homeless people to shelters. Fishermen, of course, since yesterday were told not to go out.
Let's take you live now to Pune, just southeast of Mumbai, and speak to climate scientist Matthew Cole. Good to see you. We're just seeing some live pictures as we talk to you now of the cyclone hitting an area around Mumbai, and we can see outside your window it looks pretty windy. Tell us about the conditions at the moment. Are you there? Can you hear me? What's it like at the moment?
Yeah, so I am at Pune. We are just 150 kilometers southeast of Mumbai, and we can feel the cyclone dragging the winds over here. As you can see from the trees over here, the tree branches are moving. And we are going through the landfall process. It's much more felt over the coast of Maharashtra towards slightly south of Mumbai. It started about 1 p.m. Indian time. It may be 8:30 in the morning for you in the UK. And it's still going on. And it seems from reports, IMD reports, Indian Met Department reports, what we hear is that it has moved over north, and now the winds are picked up, strong winds are picked up over Mumbai, heavy rains are also picked up. So this is something we haven't seen so far for Mumbai.
Yes,
it's
how unusual is it to have a cyclone in the monsoon season?
Monsoon season is not favorable for cyclones to form because of the unfavorable winds, which suppress the cyclone formation. And this is one of the first of its kind. Since recorded history, we have never seen a cyclone hitting Maharashtra coast in June.
So do you believe that climate change plays a part in this?
Of course. Indian Ocean is becoming a hotspot. That's what we are seeing, multiple threats. We saw Cyclone Amphan coming in the east coast, in the Bay of Bengal recently, and now Cyclone Nisarga forming over the Arabian Sea. And this is particularly related to the warm waters we see in the Indian Ocean, especially the rapid warming in the recent years, which enhanced the cyclonic convention. And that is because the cyclones draw their energy from the warm ocean waters, and we might see more of this in the future, and we have to be ready for that.
How can you be more ready? What should be done?
As of now, we have weather forecasting systems, but we need early warning systems which incorporate not only just weather or rains, but for example, for this cyclone, we can see that the storm surges are there. For a city like Mumbai, where land use and human demographics matter, so we have to incorporate all that in early warning systems. Most of the tropical countries or the Indian Ocean Rim countries where these extremes are increasing, we don't have these kind of early warning systems which incorporate all these elements. And in the background, we have a rising sea level. So when these multiple threats act together, we call it a compound event in the IPCC report. These events are increasing, and so we need to incorporate that in the early warning systems.
Proxy Matthew Cole, good to talk to you. Thanks for joining us from India with an update there on Cyclone Nisarga.